Hello everyone, this is Katia Plant Scientist speaking. And look at what's beneath this net. These are blueberries in progress. This is my blueberry patch. These are blueberries of the domestic variety that was developed through the hybridization and selective breeding of blueberry species originally from the bogs of Canada and the northern part of the United States. Blueberry plants like these are somewhat high maintenance, but if you treat them right, they will reward you with a fantastic and generous crop. So where does it begin? At ground level. The soil for blueberries has to be similar to their native habitat, which is the acidic and damp soil of bogs. Therefore, I recommend buying ericaceous compost and creating a trench like the one shown here where you will plant your blueberries. This soil can be topped up with new ericaceous soil year after year. Another thing that will help blueberries produce their best is to give them a bit of bloodfish and bone meal mixed into the soil every spring around February to March. Once they have finished blooming, it is important to add these nets. So this is a net with a frame on it to help keep it in a nice rigid shape and not get ensnared in the branches of your blueberries. This is important to net them so that birds and wasps do not raid the berries. Believe it or not, blackbirds will even come in and try to steal berries that are at this very early stage of ripeness. Of course, you need to leave the nets off in order to let bees pollinate the flowers. When the blueberries start to ripen, that is the time to take the nets off and collect your harvest. Happy harvesting, everyone, and stay curious about plants.